Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The upcoming Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 will be a game-changing tablet expected to arrive on May 15th. So Huawei is set to unveil its latest flagship tablet, the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. This highly anticipated device promises to redefine the tablet experience, delivering unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and unmatched versatility. The Huawei MatePad Pro boasts a sleek and premium design, featuring a stunning 13.2-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. This vibrant and ultra-sharp screen delivers exceptional clarity, rich colors, and deep blacks, making it perfect for work, entertainment, and everything in between. Powering the tablet is the latest Kirin 9000E processor, which promises lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, juggling multiple apps, or enjoying the latest games, this tablet will handle it all with ease. To further enhance productivity, the tablet supports the M Pencil stylus, allowing you to take notes, sketch ideas, and annotate documents with precision and ease. The tablet also features a detachable magnetic keyboard, transforming it into a versatile two-in-one device that can transition between tablet and laptop modes. Connectivity is a key focus for the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. With support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you can enjoy fast and stable wireless connections. The tablet also features quad speakers tuned by Harman Kardon, delivering an immersive and powerful audio experience. On the battery, a large 10,050 mAh battery that provides up to 12 hours of video playback on a single charge. And with support for 40W fast charging, you can quickly top up the battery when needed. The tablet will be available starting May 15th. Pricing and availability details will be announced during the official launch event. The Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 is a game-changing tablet that combines premium design, outstanding performance, and unparalleled versatility. Whether you're a professional, a creative, or a multimedia enthusiast, this tablet is poised to redefine the way you work, play, and consume content. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.